Hello friends, we will discuss about rate of change of quantities. In physics we have studied that if S is displacement, then velocity V is defined as rate of change in displacement, that is ds upon dt. So ds upon dt is the symbol used for rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Okay. Similarly, we have defined acceleration a by using symbol dv by dt, that is rate of change of velocity. So we can say dv upon dt is rate of change of v with respect to time, and ds upon dt is the rate of change of s with respect to time. If we generalize this notion, then we can say in the symbol dy by dx, the symbol dy by dx represents rate of change of y with respect to x. If y and x are functions of some other variable, say y equals to phi t and x equal to gt, then this dy by dx becomes dy by dt upon dx by dt. So in this way we can find the rate of change of y with respect to x for parametric equation also. So using this discussion, we will solve the questions of exercise 6.1. So we will take up first questions. It is very simple one. Find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius r when r equal to 3 and when r equal to 4 centimeter. Here we have to find the rate of change of the area of circle with respect to radius r. So we have to find, if we assume area as capital A, then we have to find dA upon dr. This symbol represents rate of change of the area with respect to radius r. Okay, and we have to find this value in two conditions, when r equal to 3 centimeter and when r equal to 4 centimeter. So first we will find the value of dA upon dr. We all know that area of circle equals to pi r square. So if we find dA upon dr, then it will comes out as 2 pi r dA upon dr. Now in first part, when in first part A, r equal to 3 centimeter. So we can say dA upon dr, put in the value of r in the value of dA upon dr, we can say dA upon dr equal to 2 pi into value of r, that is 3, is equals to 6 pi. Okay, and here area unit is centimeter given, so we can say 6 pi centimeter square upon centimeter, that is only centimeter. So this is the answer of first part, 6 pi centimeter. And in part B again for part B, r is given as r equal to 4 centimeter. In part B we will write r equal to 4 centimeter and the value of dA upon dr. So dA upon dr equal to 2 pi into 4, that is 8 pi centimeter. So this is the first question, rather simple one, and we have find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to radius r for two conditions, when r is 3 centimeter and when r is 4 centimeter. Let's take one more example, one more question. See these questions. the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? So what is given here is the volume of rate of change of volume, and we have to find the rate of change in surface area in the case of cube, है ना, when edge is given 12 centimeter. So we see the solution. Rate of change in volume is given, so we can say dV upon dt. dV upon dt is given, that is 8 centimeter cube per second. This is rate of change in volume. And what we have to find? We have to find the rate of surface area, rate of increasing of surface area when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter. So if we denote capital S as surface area, then we have to find ds by dt at a particular point when edge is 12 centimeter. So if we denote edge by small a, we can say we have to find ds by dt when a equal to 12 centimeter. So we have to find this quantity, and we have given this dV upon dt equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. We all know that the volume of cube is a cube, where a is the edge of a cube. So we start with V equal to a cube, volume of cube, that is a cube. Okay, now here a is variable, okay, because volume is increasing, therefore a is also changing. So here a is variable. So if we want to find dV by dt, then this equals to d upon dt of a cube. Remember, a is not constant, a is variable. So what is the value of d upon dt of a cube? 3a square, as d upon dt of x square, d upon dt of t square will be 2t, same as d upon dt of a cube will be 3a square, but a is variable, so we have to differentiate a again, dA upon dt. So rate of change of a is also included. dV upon dt equal to 3a square into dA upon dt. This is the value of rate of change of volume. Now we know the volume, we know the rate of change of volume, that is 8 centimeter cube per second. So we will put the value of dV by dt here. So what we will get? 8 equal to 3a square into dA by dt. This further implies dA upon dt equal to 8 by 3a square. So this is the value of dA by dt, or rate of change of edge. What we have to find? ds by dt. We all know that s, value of s for cube is 6a square. So we can say ds by dt equal to 12a multiplied by dA by dt, as a is not variable. Now we can put the value of dA by dt from here, that is 8 by 3a square. So what we will get? 12a into 8 by 3a square. So after simplification you will get 4 times 32 by a, and we have given the particular value of a. Particular value of a, that is edge, is 12 centimeter. So we can put ds, we can put a equal to 12. So ds by dt when a equal to 12 centimeter, is equals to 32 by 12. This comes out as 8 by 3. Now what will be the unit? Surface area, unit of surface area is centimeter square. So centimeter square upon unit of time. So it is clear from this, the time unit of time is second. So centimeter square per second. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now take up a next question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of, in first part the perimeter and second part the area of rectangle. Now see a solution. Here it is said that length is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. The length of x is decreasing, x is decreasing. So we have given dx by dt is equals to, and since it is decreasing, then the rate will be negative, minus 5 centimeter per minute. Value of rate is negative. And width y is increasing, dy by dt increasing 4 centimeter per minute. So since y is increasing, therefore we have then 4 will be positive and x is decreasing, therefore this 5 will be negative. So these two things we are given, and we have to find the, in first part we have to find the rate of change of parameter in first part when x equal to 8 and y equal to 6 centimeter particular point. So we will see first part A. We will find the rate of change of parameter. If we denote parameter by P, capital P, then P equals to, if length is x and y is breadth, then parameter is 2 into x plus y. So we can say dp by dt, rate of change in parameter, is equals to twice dx by dt plus dy by dt. Now we know the value of dx by dt and dy by dt, so we can put these two values. So dx by dt is minus 5 and dy by dt is 4, is equals to minus 2 centimeter per second, per minute rather. That means parameter is also decreasing. Since as minus sign comes out, we can say that the rate of change of parameter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Now in second part we have to find the rate of change of area. So again we all know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. If we denote area by capital A, then we can say capital A equal to xy. Now if we find dA by dt, so we have to use product rule here, x dy by dt plus y dx by dt, and we know the value of x and y. For particular value of x and y, x equal to 8 and y equal to 6. We also know dy by dt and dx by dt. So putting all these two values, all these four values rather, we can find the answer. The value of x was 8, x is 8, then value of dy by dt is 4, then value of y is 6, then value of dx by dt is minus 5. So this comes out as 32 minus 30, that is 2 centimeter square per second. So this is the answer of this question. So we can say the rate of area is increasing because 2 is positive, while rate of change in parameter is decreasing since 2 is negative. Okay.